Hello everybody, it's Jonathan here, and this is my page for my Self Hypnosis Mastery course. If you're here, you're probably thinking about whether you should sign up for this course. So I'm just going to share with you some things you really need to understand about this course. This course will teach you everything you need to know to be able to not just do, but to actually master self-hypnosis. Everything that you need to understand. I take you through it step by step. Very easy to follow, very easy to implement. Everything is there that you need. And you can be not just learning this, but mastering this in 7 days. So I'm going to take you through what is in there in a few minutes of this introduction now. But let me just briefly introduce myself. If you don't know me, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and one of the world's most experienced RTT therapists, rapid transformational therapists. I've worked with thousands of people getting phenomenal results for people. I am a transformation coach, taking people on their journey to where they want to get to and keeping them there. I'm a best-selling author. I am the owner of My Fit Mind, and I have a YouTube channel. Check it out, called My Fit Mind, unsurprisingly, with everything really that you might want to ask about hypnosis, hypnotherapy and RTT therapy. To put this course into context, it is one of 3 courses. So it is one of 3 courses. I teach you everything you need to know about self-hypnosis to work on yourself, to be able to get yourself in the zone in the moment, but also to do serious self-improvement on yourself. Now, you may be thinking you want to become a hypnotherapist, or that you're a coach or a therapist who wants to incorporate hypnosis in their kit bag. So I'm going to teach you that as well in these other courses. These are becoming available soon, but I would strongly recommend that before you do full-fledged hypnotherapy training, or even go into my coaching for therapists, hypnosis for coaches and therapists, I would suggest that you first of all do this course, because then you will see the power of this working on yourself, which will give you the confidence and the belief to go and start working on other people with this. So it is the perfect intro for it. You will be bought into wanting to do these other things when you understand this. And just to take you very, very briefly, give you a summary of what's in here. You can read a lot of this for yourself, but basically I'm teaching you everything. The concepts of what you need to understand your mind and hypnosis, getting ready for it, the use of hypnotic words, getting yourself into hypnosis, actually getting into rewiring, reprogramming your mind. I teach you all of that. I give you examples of that short form. I show you how to get in the zone quickly. I show you how to use this as a therapeutic self-improvement approach as well. I teach you all the things to reinforce yourself, and I give you scripts for nearly everything you could imagine that you'd want, and I'm constantly adding to that. So there are scripts for all sorts of things in there. So this course is incredibly comprehensive. It's easy to follow. You can master it in 7 days, and it just includes so many things that are useful for self-hypnosis and in life. You can see some of these things here, all these things that I teach you: short form, long form self-hypnosis. And as I said, I even include scripts in here for doing self-hypnosis, for long form self-hypnosis. So if you want to start working on any of these points here, you can see anxiety, confidence, weight loss, smoking, stopping smoking, making money, public speaking, sexual confidence. I've got scripts in there, so you can be getting into this in a matter of days, doing self-hypnosis to improve how you're thinking, feeling and acting. So this course teaches you everything you need to know, and it's easy to follow. It's based upon what I know works. It's using scripts that I have used and developed. Everything here is from me, and I am so enthusiastic about this course because it is phenomenal. It's incredible value. £99, less than the cost of getting a plumber out to fix a leaky tap. It won't stay that price for long, so do get in there, do sign up to this, but most of all sign up to this because this could be life enhancing, it could even be life changing for you. It's a phenomenal skill that can help you in so many aspects of your life. So please do sign up. I look forward to seeing you there. Everything is there, and I'm fully behind you on making sure that this is something that gives you enormous value and is going to help you in your life. I look forward to seeing you soon in the course.